Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to another session of podcast. I wish and I'm sure you will enjoy listening to the broadcast.
So it's very common knowledge that we should take a glass of warm water with lime and honey in the morning, first thing in the morning. Especially for weight loss. So is it really beneficial? Should it be taken?
No, first of all, taking warm water, lime and honey is good, no doubt. Mm-hmm. It will only alkalize you a little.
Because of the lime? Mm.
And honey is natural sugar components. Okay? So, maybe it can cleanse your blood a little. But there are a lot of people who practices this nowadays. But they're thinking in terms of weight loss.
Right. Yeah.
No.
It's more cosmetization.
It can't lead you to weight loss. How it will lead you to weight loss?
It won't aid weight loss.
No, weight loss is, there are two things. Weight loss is, one is unwanted inflammatory accumulation should be eliminated. Is your warm water, lime and honey is going to do that? No. Not at all. And then fat burning. Accumulated fat burning. And that is definitely not going to become possible with this warm water, lime and honey. Is it possible? Fat is burnt, 85% of it is, comes out when you do a long walking or running or swimming or skipping or long exercising for about an hour or so.
Some cardio exercise.
Not cardio, whole body exercise. Cardio gets exercised. There is nothing called cardio exercise. That concept itself is wrong. As you keep walking, your heart pumping.
Right.
Do you call that as cardio exercise?
Okay, I didn't...
If you start doing swimming, what happens? You are spending enormous energy to push yourself against the water's buoyancy.
Yeah.
So your heart starts pumping. You start breathing. Your lungs, once the heart starts pumping, the pulmonary with which lot of blood goes to the lung starts breathing very high.
Harder.
Because it has to give oxygen to the blood flow coming into the lung.
Correct.
Which has to go back to the heart and go everywhere. The muscles need lot of oxygen. The muscles has to spend lot of glucose. So a lot of free radicals, lot of stuff is happening inside. Every cell needs more oxygen. So you have to breathe more. The heart has to pump more. So any exercise you do, it's a cardio exerise only. There is nothing called a cardio exercise separately.
Yeah.
Okay? You have to be very clear on this.
Right.
So, what is happening? What happens to the fat at that time? 80 to 85% of it is come out as water through your sweating.
Through sweat.
Fat is nothing other than C55 atoms of carbon, 106 atoms of oxygen, hydrogen and 6 atoms of oxygen. It's C55, H106 and O6. It's a fat component. It burns into, converted into water, and then 15-20% is come out as CO2, carbon dioxide. That's how your fat gets disappeared. How can your hot water and lime honey can do that? It can't. So if you have a wrong consumption that it will reduce my weight, it will not. Yeah, the amount of honey that you take, you increase your weight. Please.
So it is beneficial, but not for losing weight. It's beneficial.
It is a sort of a practice. Slightly it can alkalize you a little.
Probably keep your gut little better.
Yeah, if you are going to have a burger after that, you are going to, triple the time you are going to increase your acidic condition. Like if your food pattern is not all right, if your dietary conditions are not properly designed, that warm water, lime and honey what you have, and then having your wrong foods, it is like, sweeping and swabbing the floor and then putting mud on it. Simple it is.
Right.
Thank you.
Thank you very much for spending your quality time. Thank you very much for your attention. I wish you enjoyed this session. See you later.